Hi everyone, this video I'll show you how to find your liked videos on Pinterest in just a few steps. So let's get started. First, open your Pinterest app. Launch the Pinterest app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account before proceeding. Then, find a video you love and like it by tapping a heart icon or the like button. Once you like a video, hit the back button to return to the main screen. Then, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the profile page, tap the three dots menu or the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, find the select Home Feed Tuner option. Make sure the Pins tab is selected. In Pin section, you'll see all your liked videos and photos displayed. And that's it. You've successfully found your liked videos on Pinterest. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe for more Pinterest tips. Leave any questions or feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching.